Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Recently I had shown you a video of a garam masala that is specially used for biryanis. So today, using that garam masala, let's make the biryani gravy. In a kadhai, let's heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot. Let's add 2 bay leaves and a teaspoon of kasuri methi. Here I've made a paste of a large onion with 2 green chillies, 1-inch ginger and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Let's add this and saute it. I'm going to saute this till the onion paste is nice and brown and oil is separated. So this gravy that we're making is basically an accompaniment for your biryani. You can also add your veggies or your meat to this and make the biryani. The onions have browned really well. Now let's add 2 tomatoes that I have grated. And I'm going to saute this till the oil separates. The oil has separated. I'm going to add coconut paste. So I took half a cup of coconut, fresh grated coconut, and I ground it to a nice fine paste. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of it. And I'm going to saute this further till oil separates. As you can see, the oil has separated. Now let's add our dry spices. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of red chilli powder, a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, and finally the biryani masala that we had made last time. I'm going to add a teaspoon of that as well. The link to the recipe of the biryani garam masala is in the description box. Now let's saute this. The masala has got fried really well. Now let's add half a liter of water to this. Let's add some freshly chopped coriander, salt to taste, and now let's bring this curry to a boil. The gravy is boiled well. Let's shut the flame and remove it in a serving bowl. I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of kasuri methi powder and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. You can add your favorite veggies or meats of your choice and make a biryani with this gravy, or you can serve this gravy as an accompaniment with your biryani. So do try this recipe and let me know.